If you don't like ripe bananas, it's because they never made it this way. For this recipe, we will need 3 large ripe bananas, which I will remove the 2 tips, and then proceed to peel it. We simply have to cut it this way. Already peeled, I will cut them into 3 large pieces. Guys, this recipe with ripe banana is very easy to make and looks delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Once cut, I will reserve them. In a frying pan, I will add enough oil to be able to fry the pieces of bananas. When the oil is very hot, I will put it to fry so that they brown a little. It is not necessary to let it fry completely. Once the bananas are golden, I will remove it from the oil and place it on a plate with absorbent paper, in order to remove the excess oil, and also to let it cool a little so I can handle it better. While they cool, in a bowl, I will sift a cup of wheat flour with the help of a strainer. Once sifted, I will add a tablespoon of sugar. Also a teaspoon of salt. An egg, which must be at room temperature. Then I will add milk proportionally and beat until a homogeneous mixture is achieved. At this moment, I would like to know from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Kimberly from United States, also for Patience from Nigeria, and Trevor Gordon from California. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And so in this way we should have the mixture, neither too thick nor too liquid. Next, we proceed to fill our abregiatos. On a board, I will place some fit paper. Then I'll put a piece of banana, then we put a little more fit paper on top. And crush very well, with a kitchen table or with a flat container. Now I will place 2 strips of mozzarella cheese on it, and I will proceed to close it as follows. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love the ripe banana, to send you a very special greeting. And so we should stay. Now I will pass it through the wheat flour mixture, and with the help of a fork, I will spread it very well from this mixture. Once well spread, I will quickly take it to the hot oil, letting it cook for 4 minutes, or until golden brown very well. When it is golden on one side, I will turn it over so that the other side is browned. And already our ripe banana abregiatos are ready. Look how delicious they have been. It only remains to delight this delight, although I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result.